Okay, let's do something more cool to this, right? Because that's why we're here. It's true. It would be difficult to be more cool than this, but wait. So I'm going to drag another cloner actor into my scene. Cloner, drag it in. There it is. Cloner up there. First thing I'm going to do is go up here to my cloner 2 and right click on it and rename it. We're going to call this C for cloner, and I'm going to call it my C, S-E-A. You'll see why in a minute. The one with the cubes in it, cloner 2. And then cloner 3, I'm going to open that up and again delete the cube. And I want to drag onto that some really cool stuff. But before I do that, I'm going to, with cloner select 3 selected, I'm going to go down and select the constant. I want to change the constraint to texture. And we're going to change that to texture. Okay, so let's give it a texture. We're on texture, texture constraints. Now I can select ACU. We should give it something to work with, like